How beautifully gold and silver both honored my levels yesterday. I am telling you, since long now 1771 you should watch out for gold, and precisely it is failing to break below 1771. At the same time, 1784 is something which was the support previously. Now it is a resistance and it is failing to break past this also. I hope you all profited, and definitely the guidance would have supported in your decision making in your day trading. Now what is going to happen today? Which position you should take in order to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And do not forget to press the bell icon. If you're missing on to subscribe, definitely you're missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Let's start the day with gold first. Gold on the hourly charts, again committing this conservative move where it is trying to give you higher lows, lower highs, consolidating a bit. Only long entry is above 1780 levels once again. So if you see it trading beyond 1780, you can go long. Rather, you can go long at 1778 itself, but remember 1783-84 will definitely provide a stronger support. So yes, that is a long entry where you can enter above 1778. Below 1771, yes, you can go short. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is comfortable here. MACD is in buy side. RSI is trading flat with a little bullish bias. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, similarly lower highs and higher lows are getting created, waiting to break out. Only short entry I will recommend is below 1771, and only long entry, yes, above 1778 you can go long, but then the resistance at 1780, 83, 84 levels should be very strong for it to break past by. Once it trades above 1784, definitely it will call for a stronger bullish move. Directional movement bearish, stochastic comfortable again. MACD has crossed over and this is a bullish cross here. This is a buy signal. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, similar is the story, trying to consolidate a bit before it looks forward to a breakout. Remember, there are a couple of channels in play, and yes, if it breaks past 1778, 1780, definitely it will call for a good move towards 1783. Largely, I will be very cautious till the time it trades till 1784. Once it trades above 1784, you can expect 1790, 1795 levels also. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD willing to converge and crossover for a bullish move. RSI looking slightly up. On the 4-hour charts also similar is the story. Look what we have done. See, this was the consolidation, then a rally. Now it is trying to consolidate here with the support at 1774, 1771 zone. It is trying to rise a bit. I think we may see a little retracement on the upside. Largely we may see 1782, 83, 84 levels should provide a stronger resistance for it for any upside move. Once it trades past 1784, then you can expect 1788, 1790 should be the next resistance zone. Beyond that, definitely it will fly. You can remain long with the stop loss at 1774, but see, again you have to be cautious till 1784 levels. Largely if it breaks past this zone, definitely a stronger move can be seen. On the downside, you have to watch for 1771. Only short entry is below 1771. Below that you can see a drop there towards 1764, 1755, 1750 levels should be there. On the upside, if it breaks past 1784, definitely a stronger move can be expected, which might take it till towards 1795 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now this is directional movement bearish, stochastic comfortable. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is trading flat. And on the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. Last two candles, see, specifically last candle, it was bearish, but it failed to indicate neither the bulls nor the bears were there in charge, and it traded in a very narrow zone. And it indicates that the downward movement possibly is very much restricted. Also remember the 20 and 50 period moving average coming here precisely at 1774, 75 levels. This is going to be a stronger support zone, and yes, that is why I say till the time it trades above 1770, you have to be very cautious. It can bounce back and reverse again. Largely I will look forward to 1780. If it breaks beyond, we can definitely take a long entry, and then one can expect 1785, 1790 levels should be seen. Directional movement is still bullish on the daily charts. Stochastic is oversold on the daily chart. The MACD is willing to converge crossover. This is after long it is happening, hence it may try to trade little bit bearish. RSI trading flat. So considering this, only long entry is above 1778, but remember you have to trade with a stop loss at cost such that you can preserve your capital. It can get a resistance at 1782, 83, 84 levels, very strong resistance till 1784. Once it breaks past by 1784, you can look forward to 1788, 90, and beyond that 1795 will come. See, these are very strong resistance zone now for gold to pass by, and hence you have to be very cautious of this. Below 1771 you can go short, and then you can expect it to achieve 1764, 1760 and 1755, 1750 levels. Till 1750 very strong support exists. Do not trade between 1771 and 1778 levels. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss. And now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you support my effort, please become a patron. I do not want to start a membership here in YouTube, and rather than that, those who want to support can become a patron. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Definitely the cost is nothing, hardly anything, so please join and become a patron. Now let's have a look at silver. Likewise, silver too, it has seen a breakout below 2000 levels, went close to 1990 and tried to bounce back from there. Now also it is again giving you lower highs and almost trading flat. So again 2005 and 2020, these two levels you should watch out for. Do not trade between 2020 and 2005. About 2020 it will call for a good rise. Directional movement bearish, stochastic trying to rise, MACD in bullish zone, RSI trading flat. On the 2-hour charts, look at, see one candle, multiple retracement candles, trading flat, trying to rise. Probably once it trades beyond 2020, we can again look for to 2030, 2040 zone. Till 2040, it has got stronger resistances. Previously, this was a support zone. Rather, you can stay long with the stop loss at 2005. That is also another strategy which you can work out for. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is again looking downwards. It was overbought. MACD has crossed over, and this is a bullish cross which indicates it may trade in green for a little while. RSI trading flat. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, but look at the 3-hour chart. Consistently lower highs are seen here and almost flat bottom out there. So only short entry, as I said, is below 2005. Below 2005 you can go short, and above 2020 you can go long. But remember, 2025, 2030, 2040 levels are very strong resistances for silver. Specifically 2040 and 2050 zone is definitely a very strong resistances. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is comfortable near to top, MACD is bearish, RSI is trading flat near to bottom. On the 4-hour chart, it is, see, if you look at the silver's movement, here it is consolidated, couple of red candles, then consolidation. Probably it has to break out this zone at 2020. Beyond that, yes, you can expect a rise, but then 2025 levels should come into picture, 2030 levels will come into picture. Hence, till 2020, 2025, you have to be very cautious in taking a side in silver. On the downside, be watchful of 2005. Below 2005, you can expect it to drop again for 1990, 1980 levels. 1980 is a very strong support. Directional movement is bearish on the 4-hour charts. Stochastic is comfortable. MACD is bearish, must converge from here, must. So we can expect a little rise, but let's see. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see the previous candle, the bears failed to take the charge out there, and it closed with a very small body compared to what we have seen previously. Also, it has completed a journey, and it is giving you higher highs, higher lows out there. Now if you connect the dots there, see, it is trying to create a channel like this in which it is trading right now. The support there at 1990 could come, which is very strong support. Also remember, this is trading at the 20 period moving average, which is giving it a support here at 2010 levels. Yes, you can go long at 2020, but then 2025 you should watch out for, and then 2030, these two levels you should definitely watch out for. Beyond 2030 we can look for 2040, 2050, 60 zone, which is going to be stronger resistance zone. So first we'll look into 2040, 50, then 2060. This till 2060 it has got very strong resistance in place. Beyond that it will definitely fly. You can right now take a long entry, but Be cautious till 2020, 2025, 2030 levels, and yes, the stop loss should be kept at 2005 levels. Below that you have to go short. If it drops below 2005, you have to go short for 1990, 1980 levels. So those who want to do a safe trading, do not trade between 2005 to 2020 levels. In between these 15 points, you have to be cautious and do not take any position there, as it is looking forward to a bearish cross on the daily charts on the MACD. Once it crosses over, we might enter into, or silver might enter into, a bearish territory, and hence you have to be alert there. Take your positions accordingly. It has still got room on the downside, and this time if it breaks, it is going to be a good break which might take it till towards 1980, 1960 levels. Be cautious. Go short below 2005 and expect it to drop for 1990, 1980, 1960. Till that time, it can drop till towards 1960. Remember, so be cautious. However, a little retracement on the upside cannot be denied. 2025, 2030 levels can be seen, and from there it can try to drop. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with caution. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not trade. Those who want to trade safe, do not trade between 2005 to 2020 levels. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group, and become a patron. Reach out to me for more details, and in description, channel description and video description, you will find the more details on my free Telegram channel, my VIP signals group, my patron page. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.